Hello, hello. Um, I'm a very joyous person. Today I have something special to show you guys. Yeah. Ooh, this thing is pigmented. Like you pick a normal gloss off the shelf and then it has red pigments, or like a pink. Anyway, I just woke up, so okay, no jest. Let me not lie. Curated days and candid nights, shade chaos of delights. You wish an ivy, press play, stay tight. Velvet skies on mirror glass, moments flick. Welcome to my YouTube channel. YouTube to my welcome channel. The reason why I'm saying today is a very special day is I got a gifted collab and I want to show you guys what is inside my box. They reached out to me and they want me some more. They told me I had style, guys. So I was like, okay, bet. What do you want me to do? The way to my heart. If you're a brand and you want to get into my heart, yeah, just tell me I have style and send me your products. I'll do free video for you. Anyway, that's not what this is about. I want to show you guys the brand. So they reached out. They told me, I'm beautiful, I'm chic, I'm confident, I am. And I believe I'm all those things, I take confidence. Like, one thing that I'm known for is being very confident. So that's something. And like seeing that they talk about that did it for me. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce you to Lush Hair, guys. Honestly, I get very excited about things. Like, those who know me outside of like how I look on social media, I get very excited about things. And nowadays I'm trying to show more of that, of how my excitement looks like. So yeah, I get very excited. Like, so yeah, first of all, the packaging that this came in was just to die for. It says, be chic, be beautiful, and then my favorite part, be confident, be beautiful. You know the interesting thing about these people? They've realized that like people are moving away from braiding all black hair, so they have colors for days. Like, what you're seeing here is what you get. And like, they have those colors that you imagine in your head and you're like, I want this color, but you can't find it, so you have to mix colors and all of that. They have all those colors. You get me? If you know Lush, you know what I'm talking about. Now this is just the bag, the bag that the box was in. This is just the bag. Let me show you the box itself. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. See? So cute, so pink. I feel like I'll be using this box, even way after I am done like using the products that came in this box. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. I already opened the box and I know what's inside because I couldn't keep calm. This thing was too pretty. Like, if it were you would. So I'm going to just take you guys through. First thing I want to show you is what they wrote on the box. Hi beautiful, your hair, your rules, so slay it your way with Lush Hair. Whatever your style, we know you own it effortlessly. Let's get into this goodie box. First things first, if a brand is gifting you and they don't give you a tote bag, I don't know what they are doing. But there you go. I got a branded comb. But then it's also branded here. So as you can see. To the extensions. So this is the first one. I already took it out of the rubber for about 3 days now, and it still looks shiny, right? See, it's been out of the rubber for 3 days now, and it still looks shiny. This is the other one in the rubber. So I got 2 packs of this. This one is called Wild Braids in forest green. So that's the color over here. It's the Wild Braids in forest green. Look at some of the features over here. See? So it's super light, and it's true, it's super light. It's soft and shiny, tangle free. Well, I'll find out later from the lady who is going to be braiding my hair on that one. But yeah, we're testing it. I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's tangle free when I've not even taken it out. So, because I'm going to be honest. Right now, yes, it is tangle free, obviously. But we'll put it to the test and see. Then you can put this in hot water after braiding, so that's it. It's also voluptuous, like it's big. At this point, I don't even know if this is pre-stretched. I don't think it is, but the fact that I can't tell the difference between the fact that if this is already because normally when you pre-stretch hair, it gets bigger, so it becomes more voluptuous. But I can't even tell. I don't know if this is pre-stretched, because if it's not pre-stretched, then you're going to get a lot out of this, because look at the size of this. See, look at the size of this, how big this is, and the length of it. So when you open it up, it's 82 inches. That means that folded is 41. So you're looking at 41 inches of hair. This is 41 inches of hair. Can you imagine what you can do with all of this? So that's it for the Wild Braids. Now let's go to the Kinky Twists. In fact, it's the extra bouncy Kinky Twist. And I know why they are calling it that, because I felt it and it's just so soft. I like color. In fact, I like anything other than black or color too. So I'm about to experiment with these colors. Funny thing is, I have dyed my hair this color before. I've had ginger hair before, I've had green hair before, so this is right up my alley. I'm not gonna lie. You guys know. And you know the interesting thing, without going to dye your hair or damage your hair, my God, it's the best feeling. It is the best. It's just the right tone of ginger. Like, I know, let me show you guys. 24 inches of ginger goodness. 24 inches of color 350 goodness. Like, so for this, you can crochet it into your hair. Like, you can use the crochet method, or you can use the braiding method, so you can braid twist. Or you can do the Afro method. I see a lot of people doing the Afro method. I'm tempted to, but I feel like I will not be able to maintain it properly. But then I also shared a post on Instagram asking people to help me choose which one to braid. A lot of you guys on Instagram went for Wild Braids, and I really wanted to braid this one. I really wanted to braid Kinky Twist, right? But I'm gonna listen to what the people say, and I'm gonna do the Wild Braids. Thank you guys for watching. If this is your first time coming across my channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification. And leave a comment. Let me know if you've tried Lush hair before, how it went for you. Like, I want your honest reviews. Yeah, I want your honest review. You don't need to sugarcoat anything. But let me know if you've tried Lush hair before, how it went, how long it lasted. Like, just give me all the juice and the tips. If you also have some maintenance tips, drop them in the comment section, because I'll need them. Now let's go and start with the braid. And we are halfway. Or we are not even halfway. This will take us halfway. Okay. So far we've only used one pack. And we still have this in the pack, whatever. So let's see how far this will take us. I am confident we'll have some left, but let's see. Let me not get ahead of myself. Good morning, guys. This is the morning after braiding. I couldn't close up the video yesterday because I had to go to school, but this is the morning after braiding. And this is the forest green that I showed you, the wild braids. So I mean, as you guys saw already what happened yesterday during the braiding session, we were able to test the hair and it was true to what it said. And as for the lightness of it, I'm not gonna lie, it is light. So, tangle free, check. Hot water usage, check. Obviously, you guys already saw that. Soft and shiny, like, look at that. And you know, I decided to curl it because I didn't want it so long, but as you can see, it's still really long. So if you do not decide to curl the tips, you can have very long braids. I didn't want to have really long braids. So hot water usage, check. Tangle free, check. Soft and shiny, check. Super light, check. And we still have some of the hair remaining. So if I tell you this is enough, this is enough. However, depending on the style that you want to braid, you might need more. But for this hairstyle, for what I just did, so cornrows in the front and then some rasta braids in the back. For something like this is enough actually. That's all for the Lush Hair review. Bye. Curated days and candid nights.